How to make a live wallpaper from TikTok. First of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Now, search for live wallpapers in TikTok over here, and you will get to see your top results. Select your favorite one from the result. Then, tap on the share icon from the side panel. Select the option Live Photo from the options below. Wait till it finishes converting to a live photo. Once it is saved, minimize the TikTok application and open Photos on your iPhone. Here, you can find the recently downloaded media. Tap and open it. Then tap on the Export button from the bottom left corner and select the option Use as Wallpaper from the menu. Once you've set the ratio of the wallpaper, hit the Done button from the top right. Then select the option Set as Wallpaper Pair. As you can see, the live photo has been saved as the wallpaper. So, by following these steps, you can make a live wallpaper from TikTok.